Today I'll show you how to install the FFmpeg file for Audacity. As you can see, I just dragged that file and it doesn't let me as I don't have the FFmpeg library installed. So what I have to do, I have to go into the edit section of the Audacity. Then there it says my FFmpeg library is not found. I can press on the download, but this website which just popped up is not updated, and in the past you could download it from here, but now it doesn't let you. You will have to press on install FFmpeg, which you can find there on the website, and the new website just pop up, and here you can find the installer of the FFmpeg file. And if we scroll down once again, we can download the 64-bit installer for Windows. If you have a 32-bit Windows, you can install the other one. For me, I will just get this one, and let's just open the file which just downloaded. For me, it's okay to install that in C, and just like that, in just few seconds, the FFmpeg library has been installed, and now I'm able to drag the file I tried to drag earlier into the Audacity, and now it's working. Thank you a lot for watching, and I hope you have a great day.